you guys, welcome back to another video. Welcome back to my channel. If you guys that don't know, my name is Brayo. I go by Bree or Brayo Brittany. In this video I'll take you along in a day of our lives. I am a stay-at-home mom of 3. I have a 5-year-old, a 3-year-old, and a 2-month-old who's back here sleeping. I just got out of the shower and I'm about to clean up a little bit while I dry off. I just have to like put some clothes away and then vacuum and clean up some of the kids' clothes. And after that I think I'm gonna go and do a little bit of shopping, but I thought I'd just take you guys along with me just to get some content out here to show you along the day. My son does have clothes, but they're all too big for him, and then I just gave away a whole bunch of his preemie and newborn clothes, so he is kind of like in the dry season. He doesn't have any 0 to 3 months or 3 to 6 months, but other than that, like 6 months and up, he's I think he's cool. So I'm gonna go ahead and probably go to Gabe's and get him some more clothes, and then I have a friend of mine from church who's giving him some clothes, so we're going to be doing that today. If you guys are interested in coming along, please stay tuned and follow along. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe if you're new, and let's go. So I might save the cleaning for when I get back home. I'm just going to go ahead and get all of the littles dressed because I know that's going to take some time. Then I'm going to get myself dressed and then get a little bit of breakfast and then head out. Yeah, I don't want to waste too much time of the day cleaning up. It's not that much to clean up. Again, I just have to vacuum and fold some clothes and put some toys away. But yeah, I'm gonna do that and then we're gonna get going. You ready to get dressed? Say hi. Hello. He's gonna wear something real simple. It's pretty hot outside, so this shirt that says "Squeeze the Day" with the little orange on it. Then like he literally doesn't have any like shorts or pants, and I know babies don't really need them because it's like a bodysuit, but I would rather him wear them. But that's the reason why I'm going shopping today for him, because he does not have a lot of clothes. So I'm gonna put this on him and then get him all cleaned up and then get the other 2 ready. Get you all cleaned up. Uh-oh. Showing them too much. Showing them too much, buddy. Showing them too much. Get it off the baby. Get it off the baby. Let the baby get dressed. We gotta get you some socks. Can get you some more socks. Wait, you might have some socks in here. Let me see. Hi, Cody. He's such a happy baby. He's such a happy baby. Hi.
You did a good job.
I love you.
I love you. I'm not your baby.
You're so happy. I love it.
I got my two babies.
You're so
I'm not your baby.
happy.
I'm your big
Hi.
brother. I'm your big brother.
Hi, man.
Get on my face.
Smiley?
I look at my big.
Okay, I gotta be. No, Caleb. You gotta be gentle around the baby.
And Bella.
Cody. Hi. Hi, Cody.
I like mommy.
What's wrong?
Mommy, guess what I did to Daddy? I did. Mommy, guess what I did?
Bella, your hair all in his face. Scoot over.
He left in front of me. This is a creepy one.
Deals with frizzy hair, especially in the summertime. I actually got a silk press like 3 days ago, and although my hair is still straight, it's like getting a little bit poofy, so I thought I'd go ahead and try out this product. It's called the TYMO ring. I got it off of TikTok shop, and I'm gonna use it for the first time. This is how it looks. It comes with all this cool stuff. It comes with a heat protecting glove, which is really cute. It's pink and black. I'm glad I got it in this color. I got a heat protecting glove. And it comes with, what is this? Ooh, a little brush. Really cute. Okay. Got some little freebies in there. Ooh, really need these. Some hair clips. Keep the hair out the way. Of course, it comes with instructions, and then what is this? Looks like more instructions. So it comes with a satin bag. This bag is really soft, and it's packaged inside. Voila! This is how it looks. Okay. Now I'm going to try it out for the first time. I turned my AC on. It's like 80 degrees outside today, and my hair just was like, it just puffed up, so it came right on time. So I'm going to turn it on. It has a couple different settings. As you can see, like, it's really doing the job. I will 100% recommend this. If you guys want to try it out for yourself, you can go ahead and hit that link down right here. But I'm gonna just go ahead and play with it and see how it makes my hair turn out. But I'm really liking it. It's super easy, super fast and efficient. Like, you don't even have to flat iron it. Like, of course, like if you want curls or something, you have to go in with a curling iron, but this definitely gets your hair straight. But again, you just have to really put it in there, put those strands and the bristles, because yeah. Alright. Again, you can see how soft and flowy my hair is. Super cute, super easy. I love it.
Mommy, we need water for me.
Oh, sorry. It's okay. You get some water?
You need help? You need help, baby? We'll like dump it off.
Those are only $5.